The purpose of this video is to learn how to take a mass and turn it into moles of a substance or vice versa. Obviously in chemistry we deal with chemical reactions, and chemical reactions are explained in moles. But in a lab we work with grams, so it's a really important concept to be able to convert the two. The formula that we use is moles is equal to the mass that we have divided by the molar mass of the compound. So the first thing we're going to look at is how to convert from mass to moles. So in this question it asks how many moles is 25 grams of sodium hydroxide. So the first thing you need to do is actually know what the formula is. So sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Now using our formula n equals little m on capital M, we can convert this to moles. Don't forget to use a subscript of the formula for the chemical in your math equation. So the mass we have is 25 grams and we divide this by the molar mass. Again, molar mass is adding up all of the masses of each of the elements, sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. So that's 23, 16 and 1. And we end up with moles of 0.625. So 25 grams of sodium hydroxide is 0.625 moles. Now, let's see how you convert backwards. If you have moles but you want the mass. So in this case we've got 0.62 moles of magnesium chloride. So the first thing again, we need to know what magnesium chloride is. It's really important you get the formula right or your molar mass is going to be wrong and everything else is wrong. So we put the moles of magnesium chloride is equal to the mass divided by the molar mass. This time we know what N is, it's 0.62. We don't know what M is, we want to know the mass, and we're going to find the molar mass again. So we go back, we're after magnesium this time, and chlorine. So using these two numbers, 24 and 2 lots of 35.5. That's the important bit, the 2 lots of that. Now we use a little bit of algebra. We want to bring up the bottom number by multiplying it out. So 0.62 times the molar mass of the magnesium chloride. You can do the mass first or write it all down like I'm doing, doesn't matter. And then we end up with a mass of magnesium chloride, and in this case it's 58.9 grams. So 0.62 moles is 58.9 grams. So watch the video again if you need any further instruction and try some of these questions.